In this video, we will show you how to reset Instagram algorithm. Okay, this is disclaimer. Maybe this is not work 100%, but you can try these steps to reduce the content that you don't want to see. Okay, first thing, for the most important, you can click more button on your profile here. Okay, just click more and select your activity. Okay, in here, you will see there is interaction. Okay, if you click on your home, you can see maybe there are any related posts that you don't want to see. You can see this is post from Facebook. Okay, because my interaction on the our activity, you can see there, is also about Facebook, if you can see here. So the first step to reset your Instagram algorithm is go to your profile and select this and select your activity. After that, you can click select button here, then select all. Okay, the content that you don't want to see on your algorithm and click unlike. For example, I click unlike here. Okay, the number second, go to your home page. Okay, go to your home page of your Instagram and you can click these three dot button icons. Okay, then you can go to unfollow for the page or for the people that you want to relate again. Okay, this is the number second. The number three, you can go to the search. Okay, go to the search and you can clear all your recent search. Just clear all. And the last step, go to your profile. Okay, go to your profiles and select following. Okay, and review the account that you follow in here. Just review one by one the account that you follow. Maybe it's not related again that you follow them. You can just click unfollow. Okay, this is just for example. And that's all step how you can reset Instagram algorithm. Maybe this not work 100%, but it can reduce your impact to your algorithm on Instagram. Hope this video helpful for you.